Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Cozy Chat, where we talk slowly about all kinds of fun topics. I am your host, Maria, and today we are going to be talking about early morning routines. I feel like this is such a popular topic, especially in the health world. I know that I see all kinds of YouTube videos and things on Instagram about people waking up at 5 a.m. or 5:30 and showing what their morning routine is early in the morning. And to be honest, I have always wanted to be one of those people who wakes up early, works out, meditates, gets other kinds of things done before I actually get my day started. To be completely honest, my morning routine changes quite frequently. I would say every few months, I have a slightly different routine. However, I will say that the times when I am doing an early morning routine, those are my favorite mornings and the best way that I think there is to start my day. I specifically wanted to talk about this today because it has been a long time that I have not been waking up early. It is the summertime and my kids are not in school, and I have just been kind of sleeping as late as I wanted to without any real plan in the morning as to what I'm going to do. However, this week I have started going to a yoga class, which is actually right down my street, taught by one of my friends. And it has given me motivation to wake up early. So I've been waking up at about 6:20, and then I walk over to her house and participate in her 1 hour yoga class. So we finish around 8 a.m. For me, the thought of waking up early in the summer when I actually could sleep longer just really was not attractive to me. When I first heard about her yoga class, I was like, no thanks. I don't want to wake up that early right now if I don't have to. However, this week I have felt so good. Even though I wake up extra early for me, and maybe I'm getting less sleep, which is definitely the case because I haven't really been going to sleep much earlier. I feel more energized throughout the day. I have more energy to go throughout the whole day without getting tired or wanting to lay down for a bit. These days, I really felt so good. I really thought that waking up much earlier would make me more tired during the day, but it's actually just the opposite. Several months ago, I was doing an early morning routine for about 2 months. I was waking up around 6 or 6:15. Then I would work out, get some work done, eat breakfast, shower, and then I would wake up my kids to go to school. And during this time as well, I felt so energized throughout the day. I felt amazing. However, I started going through a period of time where I really wasn't sleeping very well. So I decided to not continue waking up extra early. There's always a trade off. Would you rather have more sleep or have that great early morning routine? The best thing to do is to go to sleep early. So then you always get enough sleep and then wake up early as well and enjoy your morning routine. On the other hand, sometimes I really like just sleeping in. There's something about that feeling that you have when you wake up in your bed. Maybe it's a little bit late, but you feel really well rested. So I think going forward, I am going to continue to try to wake up early and have some form of morning routine. I think it's very important to just stay consistent with any kind of routine, to form a habit and to make it something that you do every single day, more or less the same. So your body adapts and then it all just becomes easier. I would really love to know, do you have an early morning routine or do you like to sleep as late as possible? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you all so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next episode. Bye.